Copy your Google Forms link and paste it into your Canva design, either by right-clicking and selecting Paste or by using your keyboard shortcut. And there it is. You can now drag the edges to resize it as needed. To embed a Google map into your Canva webpage, follow the same steps. Copy the Google Maps link and paste it into your Canva design. That's all there is to it. Let's preview what we've created. This looks great. It's clean, functional, and visually appealing. If you found this helpful, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and explore more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching.